You don't need millions of followers to make money online. What you actually need is attention, and that is why people with big followings don't even make money, and some people with small followings actually make money. Why? Because they grab attention. And this is because they understand social media secrets that some accounts with big following don't even understand. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you the secret of social media for business owners. So if you're a business owner trying to grow your social media, or if you're looking to start up a business online, then this video is definitely for you. Hello and welcome to day 12 of me trying to start up a business with zero capital. So this is day 12. If you've missed other days, you can just go back and watch it. And if you're just meeting me for the first time, hi, my name is Precious. On this channel I share business ideas, business growth tips, making money online, and how to improve yourself generally. So if you like content like this, you can just hit on that subscribe button, like this video, share this video to your friends. Tell me if you have a big following on social media or you have a small following, and do you manage to sell with the number of followers you have? Let me know in the comment section. Most people think you need 10,000 followers, 20,000 followers before you can start making sales, but no, you can have only 1,000 followers, you can have 100 followers. With high trust, when you build trust, you know how to gain attention, and you will actually start making sales. So the thing with social media is that people don't actually care about your business. Yes, I said that. People don't actually care about your business. What they care about is if you're able to solve problems for them. So while you're posting on social media, you need to look for a way to create content that will actually solve people's problem, either educate them, entertain them, or help them solve a difficult problem. So that is the actual secret. So today I'm going to create social media account for my new business, my consulting business. We went ahead to create a logo and a flyer. So I'm going to create an Instagram page, and I'm going to post my flyer on Instagram, and I'm still going to come back here to give you branding tips for your social media. I don't know if you've seen those social media that everything has the same colors, it looks so organized. When you go to those people pages, you want to pay them more than people that when you go to their pages, you will see their designs are scattered, they are using yellow today, red tomorrow. So I'm going to teach you the basics of branding, because branding is something that is going to help you gain quality customers. While on social media, before we go ahead to create our social media page, we are going to use TikTok, we are going to use Facebook, we are going to use Instagram. I'm going to go ahead to create a TikTok page, and I'm going to use my logo as my profile. I'm going to use ChatGPT to get a bio, and I'm going to do the same thing on Instagram, and I'm going to create a Facebook page, and I'm going to do the same thing. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I thought to update you today. So I'm still going to come back to teach you content creation for businesses, but these social media tips actually works. If you want to gain attention on social media, then you must try to post something that is engaging, entertaining, solving a problem, or teaching people something. That's how you get them to actually follow you, and that's how you get them to actually buy from you. You need to show up consistently. Some content ideas that you can go ahead to post is, you can post behind the scene, you can post a day in your life, you can share your stories, you can share mistakes, you can also share simple tips related to your business. Yes, simple tips related to your business. So if I'm to post, I'll share tips on how to grow your business ideas, tips like that for business owners that will attract them to my page. While on social media, we can use this simple strategy. We can give 70% value, that is, we teach, we educate, we entertain. We can share our personal journey with 20%, and then we go ahead to promote our goods and services or our product with the remaining 10%. So I'm going to talk about some mistakes people make while posting before I go ahead to create my social media account. So I'm going to take you through the process of creating my social media account. Meanwhile, if you've missed any of these days, you need to go back and watch from day 1 to today, because we have a pack load of educational content here on this channel for business owners. So if you're already a business owner and you're looking for a way to grow and structure your business, you can follow this series. Or if you're thinking of starting a business, this series is just perfect for you. Okay, and I'm going to leave my 30 days content prompt in the description, so you can get it to create content, use it to create engaging content in the next 30 days to grow your social media account and to gain more sales. So I'm going to leave it in the description, and I'm also going to be pinning it in the comment section. So some mistakes business owners make on their social media account is that they post only their products. If you keep on posting product, well, it will get boring. People will get bored. Most people don't come online. How many people do you think come online on Instagram, people come online to get entertained. They don't come online to look for product. It's only if they intentionally want to come online to buy something. But most times when people come online on a daily basis, they want to be entertained. So when you're posting your business, you need to post something that will grab them, will make them stop and make them willing to buy. So sometimes if you post product, they'll just scroll past your product. Some other mistake that business owner makes on social media is that they ignore storytelling. Storytelling is very important. You can use storytelling to grow your brand. You can use, if you look at powerful storytellers that are business owners, they use storytelling to grow their brand. Most business owners actually are inconsistent. You post today, in the next 2 weeks we will not see you post again. If you actually want to grow on social media, you need to show up every day. Post at least once every single day. Something called a hook. I'm going to teach everything about content creation for business owner very soon, perhaps next week. But there's something called a hook. You need to use something to stop your audience from scrolling. Like I said, they come on social media like TikTok. They come on TikTok mostly to entertain themselves, listen to gist, listen to gossip, comedies, things like that. So you need to use a hook that will stop them from scrolling past your content. One other mistake business owners do is that they copy trends without strategy. They go ahead to see a trending thing and they jump on it without a particular strategy. So let's quickly go create my Instagram and my TikTok account.
So let's head over to Instagram. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to create a new Instagram. I'm just going to put my email, put in the password that they sent to my email, and I'm going to confirm the password. Go ahead to put my date of birth, put my name, my entire information, and voila, we have our new Instagram page. I'm just going to go to the profile, edit it. I'm going to add that logo we designed to my profile as my profile picture, and I'm going to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to give me a good bio for my Instagram account. ChatGPT already has my details because I've been using ChatGPT for this business, even to create a business plan. So it has given me a bio, and remember the flyer we made. I'm going to post that flyer. So I've gone ahead, I'm going to add a sound. I'm still going to go back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me a good caption for my flyer. And I'm just going to copy the caption, and I'm going to the flyer, I'm going to paste it, and that's it. We've created our first post. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it
The
goes.
thing is that social media has changed businesses forever. Before social media, we used to rent a shop, then we'll put things in our shop and we expect people to pass, see our products and buy from us. And then you can get only limited customers. But with social media, you can get global audience. Just imagine the millions of people on social media, and you can get global audience from social media. Most people don't even use stores any longer. They post their products on social media. So this is what social media has done for businesses in this present age. You need to understand the power of social media, and you need to know how to use social media. We are going to be posting consistently every single day. I'm going to be doing picture content, carousel content, and I'm also going to be doing talking head content using the right hook. So let's see how it goes. If you watch this video to the end, just comment social media in the comment section and I'll know you watched to the end. Like this video, drop an amazing comment, share this video to any business owner you know, share this series to them, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching and bye.